Hello everyone, welcome to another day in the life of a window cleaner vlog. It's myself, Sophie and Matthew. So the normal dream team plus my wife Teresa behind the scenes, not forgetting her. She does all the organisation, telling me what to do, where to go. So pretty much normal way of life really. And what we've got today, well, we've got 18 cleans, 17 of them are window cleans. One of them will be a conservatory roof that we're going to do at the end of the day. And the areas we're going is Elm, Friday Bridge and Wisbeach. So will we get all that in, including the conservatory roof? I have no idea. Like I said, there's a start, there's an end, and whatever happens in the middle happens. So see how we get on. Right, that's 4 done. The last one was a first clean of a neighbour that we also clean. It wasn't too bad as far as first cleans go, but now here for another one where we do 2 houses almost side by side. For this one though, we've got to go around the back here. So it's up and over the wall. It's the only way to get to the back of this property. And then we also go around and clean the front. So I'll be helping Matthew in a minute. And then like I said, we're cleaning the neighbour as well. Anyway, let's crack on. Right, that's 6 down, 12 left to go. One of them obviously being the roof at the end of the day. As I said before on this one, we come here and we've got to drive around to clean the back. It's the only way to get access to the rear of the property, and we go over the wall. Me and Matthew do that. And then we drive around to the front here where I'll show you the front of the property. Matthew and Sophie clean that one. While they're cleaning that, the 2 properties down, I go through a garage. And then I get access that way to get round to the back. So that's the importance of sending text messages the night before, so all that's kind of organised and runs ahead. And then while I'm cleaning the back, once Matthew and Sophie done the front of the other one, they come over and start on the front of the one we're finishing on. And basically it all comes together and makes it more efficient for us. Anyway, let's get on with the next. Right, it's 12:15. We're stopping at Morrison's car park for our lunch so we can use the toilets and that as well. Not that you wanted to know that. And we've got 8 cleans for the day left, 7 window cleans and 1 conservatory roof. Of the 10 cleans, you've probably seen most of the footage. You didn't see them all. We've done 1, 2, was it 3 conservatory windows? Yeah, 3 of them have got regular conservatory roofs as well. I've just checked in the van. I've got enough water where the next cleans, there's 4 of them. We park the van in one spot and we can clean all 4 houses, and I think that's going to basically clean me out of water. Then I'll go home and refill. That way we'll be left with 3 window cleans and then 1 conservatory roof. So I'm hoping that'll see me to the end of the day. Anyway, I'm going to eat now because I'm starving. That's these 4 all close to each other done. Really handy to have the van in one place. And it's started to drizzle now, so whether that's in for the rest of the afternoon, who knows. We're going to go back and fill up now. And then we've got 3 cleans and 1 conservatory roof to do. Although I think the next clean's probably going to skip due to the wet weather. See what happens. I've one, the house behind me is the one where I'm doing the conservatory roof, and then opposite where my van is, I've parked it there. So this house that I'm pointing at now, that's what Matthew and Sophie are going to clean front and back. And then where my van's parked, I'm outside the house. Where's my van? I'm outside the house where I'm going to do the conservatory roof, and I think it's just gone 3:30, so I want to be done by 4:30 really, because that's what time the sunset starts setting down. But so far, yeah, today's gone all right. But see if we finish it on time, I don't know. That's us finished. As you can see, I'm back at home. It's too dark outside to film with this action camera. Hopefully the footage has come out all right for the after shots of the conservatory roof we've done. Today that conservatory roof would not normally been there. That's an extra job that we loaded onto the day. So just goes to show you, this time of year you've got to get disciplined at getting up and getting out on time, so you can be at your first clean as early as possible to beat the lack of light, because it's only going to get worse. But that's us done. I'll pop a video up soon for you to watch. If you've liked, just like the video or subscribe if you already haven't done so. All that sort of stuff sort of helps me out. And see you on the next video.